Hello there and welcome to RoutesNow dashboard. I'm Alex, and in this video I want to show you capabilities of RoutesNow and how it is easy to use it. Okay, at the very beginning you have an option to choose who will fulfill the delivery. This can be either your drivers or you can request a delivery from third-party delivery service provider. At the moment it is allowed to send orders only to Senpex Logistics, and before doing this please contact them to know if they are operating in your area. I'm going to proceed with second option to show you the full power of RoutesNow, and I'm choosing optimize routes and high delivery partner, choosing Senpex and clicking continue. At this step you may choose the type of delivery you need, one-to-many or many-to-one. I'm going to proceed with OTM, one-to-many. And at this step you have to build the list of stops. As I've been chosen OTM, I have to provide pickup address first. And I want to upload Excel file prepared in advance. You can download a sample file from here and upload to the system. Also, addresses can be added manually through the interface. Okay, now I have 15 stops and I am ready to go to next step. At this point, the system will ask you to log in. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create a new one. I am already having an account and I'm going to use it. Okay, now I'm ready to go to preferences. First setting is number of drivers. By default, system assigns 25 stops to one driver, but you are absolutely free to set this value as required. Load upload time, this parameter used to calculate most accurate time for route completion. Usually drivers spend time for finding the parking lot, unloading, uploading things, find the right apartment or office. So RoutesNow count this time as well. Effective radius. This feature used to understand how destination points are far from warehouse. Most of times delivery companies setting fixed price for per stop within certain radius. So you can use this feature for more accurate delivery price estimation, avoiding long distance fees. And of course, optimization algorithms, most interesting and useful feature. I'll show you them one by one. I'm going to proceed with round trip and clicking optimize here as I have a confirmation pop-up, clicking OK. And finally, we are getting to the result page. Here, it is clearly seen how actually round trip algorithm works. So the driver starts at warehouse, then goes to some point, then to another one, and then visits another one. And in that way visits all points and finishes at the point that is closest to warehouse. So doing some kind of round, right? Now let's go on the route editing level. This is most impressive feature of RoutesNow, and here you can use a variety of editing options. First of all, it is you can use search bar for quick access to any address in the list for editing. Then you can add more stops directly to every route through the interface, acting in this way. In this case, system will charge you additionally 1 credit per every new stop, and after every action, the system triggers route update according chosen algorithm. So as we see, the route was re-optimized, including new stop. It is possible also to delete stops from the list, one or multiple. Then it is also allowed to assign start and finish point to any stop. For example, I want to start from number 9 and I'm marking it as a start point. So you see the route changed right away. You can also move one or multiple stops from one route to another using move to function. In that case, both routes will be recalculated automatically based on their settings and optimization algorithm chosen at the beginning. Now let me return back and click reoptimize route to show you actually how nearest neighbor algorithm works. Optimized, yes, and now it is clearly seen how it works. So driver starts at warehouse, then goes to nearest point, then to another closest one. In that way, completes all stops. And third algorithm that is called customized trip. Actually, the system switches automatically to it once you change the order of stops in the list or assigning a new start or finish point. Upon activation, the system will refrain from immediately conducting reoptimization, allowing you to construct the route according to your specific requirements. For example, I want to deliver number 6 in the end, and I can use drag and drop feature, and the route will be rebuilt in this way. Or, for example, I want to start with number 4, for example, like this, right? A bit weird route, but just for your better understanding. Now our dashboard shows that the trip is customized, and we can do manual changes. Once we are done with optimization, you actually have multiple options how to use the result. First of all, we can go inside the route and observe it, check the list of addresses in it. Then we can print the result. We can also download Excel file, and there are sharing options as well. So clicking on the send link, we can use email or SMS or any messenger to send this result page, let's say, to our driver. Let me show you how it works. So successfully sent. Now I'm switching to my mobile device, waiting until message comes. Here is it. Now I can click on it, and here I, as a driver, can see the result and navigate to any point in my list. And as you selected at the beginning, you can delegate the delivery to Senpex Logistics. For that, you need to choose routes from your list you want to send to delivery company. Actually, whenever you first try the system, you need to connect your Senpex account to RoutesNow or create a new one, actually in a few clicks, not even leaving RoutesNow. Once done, you will receive access for instant price quoting and order creation. So I have chosen all routes and clicking request a delivery, and at this point, if I have an account, I have to provide it. This is my Senpex account. And it was already connected, so I got the access to a simple form with basic parameters like package size, transport type, declared value for insurance purposes, and pickup time. I want urgent delivery. That means the order will be created right away, and promo code if you have it. I'm clicking get on the quote. And finally, I have the price from delivery company, price per each route. If everything is okay, I just need to put order name, provide instruction if needed, and make sure that receivers' names and receivers' phones are entered correctly. There is no missings like this, for example. And yeah, that's it. Here is the total price for all deliveries, and you can tip a driver if you don't want to. You can leave here a 0 and actually click on this button and request a delivery. And you can track your orders at Senpex dashboard. That's it. Hope it was useful for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly by my email, alex@routesnow.com. Have a great day. Bye-bye.